in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, south central Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Philadelphia until 3:30 a.m. At 12:30 a.m., runoff from the recent heavy rainfall was causing flash flooding in Philadelphia and in adjacent areas of Montgomery County and Delaware County. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Yeadon, East Lanston, Drexel Hill, Bryn Mawr, Broomall, Wissineming, Traub Lake, Tacony, Roxborough, Philadelphia, Northeast Philadelphia, Newtown Square, Narberth, Morris Park, Kensington, Holmesburg, Germantown, Chestnut Hill and Center City. Do not drive through floodwaters.